Good morning, students. Today we will continue our discussion on the chapter surface area and volume, exercise 13.2, and topic is cylinder from NCERT book, question number 4. So today's topic is cylinder exercise 13.2. NCERT book, NCERT question number 4. Question number 4 because already we done question number 1, 2 and 3. Question number 4 is the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meters square. So the diameter of the roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. So diameter is given of the roller 84 centimeter and length, that is height, h, 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. So it is given diameter equal to 84 centimeter. So convert in meter first, radius, therefore radius equal to 84 by 2, 42 centimeter is radius. So as per question, find the area of the playground in meter square. So converting meter, 42 by 100 meter equal to 0.42 meter. Now length that is h equal to 120 centimeter. Length is 120 centimeter equal to 120 by 100, 0 cancel, equal to 1.2 meter. Now curved surface area, 1 complete revolution means its curved surface area. So CSA, curved surface area of the roller, or you can write curved surface area of the roller equal to 2 pi r h, 2 into 22 by 7 into r is radius is 0.42 into h is 1.2 meter square. So 6, 7, 42, so 0.6, 0.06 Now 1.2, so 44 into 0.06, so you can write 6 by 100 into by 10 is equal to 44 into 72 by 1000 meter square. 1000 meter square. Now CSA of the roller, that is area covered in, as per question, roller it takes 500 complete revolution to move once. So 500 revolutions. So area covered by the roller in one revolution, area covered by the roller, area covered by the roller, area covered by the roller in one revolution, roller in one revolution equal to CSA, curved surface area, equal to curved surface area of the roller. So CSA of a roller. So this is important. Area covered by the roller in one revolution equal to curved surface area, that is CSA of a roller. And now as per question, 500 complete revolution to move once over to the playground. Therefore area covered in 500 revolutions, therefore area covered in 500 revolution equal to 44 into 72 by 1000 into 500 meter square. 0 0 0 0 cancel. So 44, 5 and 10, 5 to the 10 to 22, 22 into 72 equal to 22 into 72 meter square equal to 22 into 72, we multiply here, 72 and 22, 1584 meter square. So area of a playground is 1584 meter square. Therefore, so area of a playground 1584 meter square. This is the answer. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. Once more you see this question. It is a diameter given. So radius is 0.42, diameter is 84. 84 by 2, 42, converted into meter, 0.42. Length is given 120 centimeter, converted into meter, 1.2 meter. And CS of the roller, we know curved surface area formula 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH, R is we know radius 0.42, H is equal to 1.2. So CSA is 44 into 72 by 1000 meter square. Now area covered by the roller in one revolution equal to CSA of a roller, that is curved surface area. One revolution means curved surface area. So 500 revolution means 500 curved surface area, that means 500 into curved surface area. So 500 into curved surface area, that is 1584 meter square. So the area of the playground is 1584 meter square. This is the answer. Question number 4. Okay. Next, question number 5. Question number 5 is, a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Diameter is given 50 centimeter, cylindrical pillar, and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. So a cylindrical pillar 50 centimeter diameter, okay, and height is 3.5. So find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar. That means we have to find curved surface area, CSA, at the rate of rupees 12.5 meter square. So convert into meter. Okay. So first given it is diameter. Number 5. Diameter equal to, diameter is 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter, therefore radius 50 by 2, 25 centimeter, convert into meter, 25 by 100 meter, 0.25 meter radius. Then height h, height equal to 3.5 meter, height 3.5 meter. Now curved surface area, CSA, curved surface area 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r is 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 0.25. 0.25 into h is 3.5. 3.5 meter square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 25 by 100 into 35 by 10. This meter square. So 5, 7, 35, 4, 25, 100, 2 to the 4, 2, 11. So 5 into 11, 55 by 10. 55 by 10 meter square. This is curved surface area. Now cost, total cost equal to, therefore cost equal to rupees 55 by 10, this into this meter square curved surface area, and at the rate of 12.50 per meter square. So 12.50 equal to rupees 55 by 10 into 1250 by 100. So 0 cancel, by 25 will go 525, 125, 425, 100. So this is equal to 5 into 55, that is 275 by 4 rupees. 275 by 4. That means divide 275 by 4. 275 275 only 32, 3.05, 68.75. This equal to 10 rupees 68.75. So this is the cost of painting, 68.75. So the answer is 5 number. Cost of painting equal to rupees 68.75. Okay. Next, question number 6. Question number 6 is curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base is 0.7 meter, find its height. So curved surface area is given 4.4 meter square. Question number 6. According to question, curved surface area equal to, curved surface area is given 4.4. 4.4 it is given. Curved surface area we know 2 pi r h is equal to 4.4. Now, if the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7, so radius is 0.7 meter it is given. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is given 0.7 into height. H is not given because we have to find height. 4.4. Now 7 minus 7, that is 0.1. So 44 into 0.1 into 8 is equal to 4.4. So 4.4 h multiplied by 144, 4.4 h equal to 4.4. So h is equal to 4.4 by 4.4. So equal to h equal to 1. So 1 meter. Therefore height, find its height. Therefore height equal to 1 meter. This is the answer. Height is 1 meter. Thank you.